Here's how to install the ERA100 shelf mount. First, let's check what's in the box. 1 shelf platform, 1 shelf bottom cover, 1 wall mount, 2 wall anchors, 2 wall screws, 3 platform mounting screws, 1 bottom cover screw, 1 thumb screw, 2 screw covers, and an Allen wrench. Here are the tools needed for this job. Now, let me explain how to mark and drill on different wall types. Start by using the spirit level to check the wall mount's alignment. Then, mark the screw holes as preparations for drilling. Here's how to drill on a drywall. Use 5/16 inch drywall drill bits with 1 3/8 inches drill depth marked by tape. Then drill the holes, stopping at the marked depth. After drilling, insert the wall anchors to support the wall screws. Now let's move on to drilling on wood stud plyboard. Use a 1 1/8 inch wood drill bit with a drill depth of 1 3/4 inch marked by tape. Start drilling the holes, stopping at the marked depth. No wall anchors are needed for this, as the wood studs will serve as the screw anchors. Lastly, this is how to drill on a concrete wall. For this one, we'll use a 5/16 inch masonry drill bit with 1 3/8 inches drill depth. Drill the wall to the marked depth. And like with the drywall, we'll need to insert the wall anchors to support the wall screws. Now let's proceed with installing the shelf mount and speaker. First, secure the wall mount with the provided wall screws. Next, cover the wall screws with the provided screw caps. Then, place the speaker platform on the wall mount. This shelf platform can be mounted on either the left or right side. Lock the platform in place with the included mounting screws. Next, put the power cable in place and connect it to the speaker. Then secure the speaker using the provided thumb screw. After that, attach the bottom cover and lock it with the provided screw. Lastly, neatly coil the wire inside the shelf. And you're done.